In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Miro. Masking is a quick way to crop an image into a specific shape or highlight only the part you want your audience to see. And the best part is that it's easy to adjust at any time. Start by signing in to your Miro account and opening the board where your image lives. Give the board a moment to load and zoom in to the area you'll be working on so you can see the details clearly. It helps to keep your canvas tidy, so if other objects are nearby, pan the view to center the image you plan to work with. Click the image you want to mask or crop. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box and resize handles around it. If multiple items are selected by accident, click once on the image to focus on just that object. A context menu will appear above the image. Look for the crop icon, which looks like a square with intersecting lines, and click it. This opens Miro's masking controls. If you don't see the menu at first, reselect the image and make sure you're not inside a group or editing another object. If you want a clean, polished look fast, choose a preset shape such as a perfect circle. The circle mask instantly trims your image into a round frame, which is great for avatars, callouts, and spotlighting a subject. After applying the mask, you can still move and scale the image within the shape, keeping the composition balanced. For full control, choose the custom option. This lets you manually drag the corners and sides of the crop area to define your own shape. Use the corner handles to adjust both width and height at the same time, and the side handles to fine-tune one direction. Take your time here. Small adjustments can make a big difference in how the final image reads on the board. Resize the crop area until it frames exactly what you want to show. The image will only display inside the boundaries you set, so position the focal point front and center. If you need precision, zoom in while adjusting, then zoom back out to check how it looks with surrounding content. Remember, masking in Miro is non-destructive, so you can reopen the crop controls later and refine the shape or size without losing any part of your original image. When you're satisfied, click away to continue working on your board. That's all there is to it. Select your image, open the crop tool, pick a shape or go custom, and adjust the mask until it's just right.